Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to encrypt a PDF file. Before you get started, please subscribe to the channel. So there are a lot of you can see, and you can simply just download a little software, and you can also log that PDF file, but I will show you how to do it in online. So you open any kind of browser and just search for a small PDF password protect. So a small PDF is like good website is. It's very easy to use, so I also do suggest you to go with this US website, and here you can see that a small PDF US website a password protect video. So you have to choose your PDF which you want to protect. So where you can see this is the PDF I want to protect on encrypt, so I have to choose UH in any kind of password. So let's suppose I am just choosing any kind of password 1234. I am just giving my password according to just an example. So after giving your password, you just simply click on encrypt. Now here you can see it's a password protect. So I am just downloading. So let's try to open this. Okay, it's telling you to enter a password. So without a password you cannot just access the PDF file. So okay, now here you can see if I am after as soon as I input the password, the PDF file is just open. So that's how you can do it. So this is the way how you can encrypt a PDF file. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.